Have you ever wondered how your computer saves data super fast in its memory? Today we'll see exactly how data is written into RAM in the simplest way possible. First, your software and the operating system work together. They send a burst of electricity along a special line called an address line. Think of address lines like the street names in a huge city. This tells the RAM exactly where to store the data. Once the address is chosen, that burst of electricity turns on a tiny switch called a transistor. A transistor is just a microscopic electronic gate. When it turns on, it opens the door to that specific memory location. Now the computer sends the actual data as tiny electrical pulses along data lines. Each pulse is a 1 or nothing is a 0. This is the binary language computers understand. When the pulse reaches the open transistor, it charges a tiny capacitor like a mini battery. Charged capacitor equals 1, empty capacitor equals 0. The computer uses combinations of 1s and 0s to store everything: letters, numbers, photos, everything. Look at this. This pattern of 8 bits, -0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, represents the uppercase letter A. The second and eighth capacitors are charged. The rest are empty. That's how your computer stores the letter in RAM. RAM needs constant power to keep those capacitors charged. That's why when you turn off your computer, everything in RAM disappears. It's super fast, but temporary memory. So that's how your computer writes data to RAM, using electricity, tiny switches, and microscopic batteries. Now you understand what's happening every time you open an app. Like and subscribe for more simple tech explanations.